In this video, we will learn how to save PDF of selecting data in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some different data. I'm selecting this one. Click on the File tab. Click on the Save tab. Click on the location where you want to save your PDF. Click on the here PDF. Type OK. Then click here the options. Publish what? Click on the selection and click on OK. Where here you can rename your data, product, data name, tube. Okay, and click, and here you can tick open the file after publishing. The file is automatically open after converting to PDF. Just click on save. You can see here product name 2 is open. The selected data is converted in PDF. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.